I throw up. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Purple Man. We have a video. We're gonna be doing the onion eating contest.
We have 3 minutes. Whoever can eat the most of their onion in 3 minutes will win.
Onion eating contest.
Go.
That's it.
It sucks.
Throw up. It's burning in the back of my throat. Go. This is the most boring video we're ever gonna make.
If you can eat a whole onion, you guys are awesome. I mean, good job.
Props to you.
Props. Why
I
do
don't
you
know what that
think
means. I just heard it. I heard it in a video and I was like, alright.
Oh, my nose. Oh.
Whew.
Ah. Ah.
Ah.
Okay, here it is.
Oh, I throw up. Yeah. Is it, dude? That's it.
I didn't even take any bites. I was just
That's it. That's it. I'm gonna throw up. I'm not even joking.
15, 14 seconds.
You win.
Ow. That's what's up. I win. No more.
So far in our videos, I've been the one losing.
Alright. You know what? For that, 75 likes. We need 75.
Dude.
We don't even have that many subscribers, but if we can get that many views and that many likes, like this video. Please.
And subscribe.
Do it for him, because he feels like crap.
Subscribe.
Subscribe. Peace.
Alright, wait, dude. Let's just take a... Yeah. Oh, gosh.